Hello, my name is Keith Preston and I'm the attorney here at Preston Law Office. What you're about to watch is one video in a series that I've had made for the Law Office website to answer a number of questions that I seem to get on a somewhat recurring basis. I know that if I'm actually getting these questions, speaking with people on the phone or in person, and I'm actually answering these questions for a large number of people, that there's certainly other people that have those same questions that are either not only not talking to me, but may not be talking with anyone, and thus their questions are going unanswered. I wanted for the answers to these questions to be available on the website, for them to be available 24/7, and for people to be able to get that information. I'd certainly be willing to discuss these issues with you in further detail, or if you have a situation to where you believe that you need the services and advice of an attorney, we can discuss that also. You can contact me at either the phone number or email address that appears on this video, but also on the video page of PrestonLawOffice.com. But for right now, let's watch the video. Hi, this is Keith Preston, the attorney here at Preston Law Office. The topic of our video today is in a criminal case, or when you're being investigated by law enforcement or have been contacted by law enforcement for an interview or anything involving a criminal case, should you talk to the cops? Well, this will be a relatively short video because there's a simple answer to that. The answer is no, you should not talk to the cops. Whenever I tell people that, I get follow-up questions. What if this? What if that? Or how about this situation? Or, well, you don't understand so-and-so. The golden rule of criminal defense is don't talk to the cops. There are no exceptions to this rule. There are no what ifs. There are no extraneous facts or circumstances or anything that would make it okay to talk to the cops. The golden rule, don't talk to the cops. I have several sayings that I've told my criminal defense clients over the years. The first of which is obviously don't talk to the cops. The second is the cops are going to do what the cops are going to do. And the third is nothing good ever comes from talking to the cops. I don't really mean anything bad by saying nothing good ever comes from talking to the cops. What I mean is that you are not going to help yourself. There is nothing that you're going to do, nothing you're going to do, nothing you're going to say, nothing that will come from any interview or contact with law enforcement that involves you talking or giving information. That scenario is never going to end with you having done anything good for yourself. There are only two possible outcomes from a situation where you talk to the cops. One is that absolutely nothing will have changed in any way. That's very unlikely. The second possibility is that you will have done something or said something or given information that will somehow damage your position, will incriminate you, give the cops information they didn't have, or have done something in some way to make your position worse than it was before that interview. So, only two options. One, things will stay absolutely the same. That's not very likely. What happens 99.999% of the time is you will do something to damage your position. Therefore, we have the saying, nothing good ever comes from talking to the cops. There's nothing you're going to do or say that is going to change what the cops are going to do. If they're investigating you, they're going to continue investigating you. If they've decided to charge you, they're going to charge you. The cops are going to do what the cops are going to do. You're not going to change it. And then third, and most important, the golden rule of criminal defense, don't talk to the cops. There are no exceptions. Don't talk to the cops. Hope that's helped to give you some information or answer some questions that you might have had. I'll be glad to discuss these matters with you further if you want to contact me at the email address or the phone number that appears on this video. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for visiting PrestonLawOffice.com.